Let's review the skills to simplify radicals. Here we have product of two binomials and we'll expand it and then simplify. So let's write down the expression first. It is 2 minus square root 5 times minus 2 plus 3 square root 5. Now we'll adopt the distributive property. That means we'll multiply first by 2 both the numbers and then both the numbers by minus square root 5. Let's see what do we get. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And then square root of 5. And now let's multiply with this radical square root 5. Minus and minus will give us plus. And 2 square root of 5. So when you multiply numbers outside the radical with those outside and inside with those inside. Now in this case it was like 1 times square root 5, right? Now let's multiply square root 5 with 3 times square root 5. Minus times plus is minus. Then we have 3 times 1, which is 3. And square root 5 times square root 5 is 5. So that's how you get. And now you can simplify by combining the like terms. So we have minus 4 and this is minus 15. And here we have two like terms with square root 5. So we can add 6 and 2 to get 8 square root of 5. Minus 4 minus 15 gives us minus 19 plus 8 square root 5. So that is the simplified form of the given product with radicals. I hope you understand the steps. The steps are: first apply the distributive property and distribute both these terms with the other two terms getting 4 terms, and then combine the like terms and get a simplified form. Thank you.